22 pallet truckload coming in a week. Let me tell you guys exactly what I got and how much I got it for. In today's video, I want to share with you guys my most recent purchase, what it is, how much I got it for, and what I expect to make out of it. Before I get further into the video, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be sharing with you guys plenty more videos of this, and I'm also going to be showing you guys the arrival of the 22 pallets that's going to be coming in about a week. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So last week I purchased another truckload, which was 22 pallets. I purchased this truckload for a total of $9,200. That includes the shipping and everything else for them to bring the truckloads to me. Now, this recent truckload that I just purchased is again a Home Depot truckload, and this time it's going to be mostly lighting and electrical. The reason why I decided to go with this is because I wanted to purchase something that was a little bit on the cheaper end and something that I could flip pretty fast to make my money back to buy some other stuff. The 22 pallet truckload has a total of 1,266 individual items in it. Not all of these items are going to be new or in good condition. I expect about 70% of these items to be sellable. Now, once the truckload has arrived, I'll make sure to record everything so you guys can see exactly what's inside of them and what I plan on doing in terms of how I'm going to sell it and what I'm going to do with the items that I can't sell. If you guys have been following along, you might have done some calculations either in your head or on a calculator to see exactly how much each individual item came out to be. Let me tell you exactly how much each item cost. Each individual item that I purchased cost me about $7.26. Some items in this truckload aren't going to be worth exactly $7.26 because they might be broken or they just might not retail for what I purchased these items for. That is not that big of a deal because there's going to be other items that have higher price tags, such as some of the ceiling fans that are going to be arriving with this load. I did get a new storage unit. I did move away from my previous city that I was living at, which was San Diego, and now I'm back here in the Midwest. I've never done this here in the Midwest before, so this is a new market for me. I'm still excited because I still have been making sales on my eBay store, and I've been making some sales here locally as well. I want to break down the acquisition or the purchase of this truckload and kind of explain to you guys how much the truckload cost me and how much the shipping was for them to bring it to me. When I give you guys that price of $9,200, that includes the truckload and the shipping, which is separate. The items themselves came out to be $7,900. So for the 22 pallets and the 1,266 items, it came out to $7,900. The shipping, on the other hand, came out to be around $1,300. And the reason why it was so expensive is because I had to purchase this truckload from Georgia, which is further away than when I was back in San Diego and I was purchasing items from either Los Angeles or Phoenix. If you guys are planning on purchasing your truckloads, make sure that you guys look for loads or companies that are within a couple 100-mile radius of where you live. That way you can save on shipping. Shipping is not that big of an expense in my business because it's part of purchasing these truckloads. However, I do try to stay underneath $2,000 because if you purchase something for $8,000 or $9,000 and then you have to spend another $3,000 or $4,000 just to get the items to you, you'll notice that the cost per item will go up and your margins will also go down. Keep that in mind if you guys are looking around at truckloads. Make sure to ask the company what the shipping rates are, whether they'll ship it to the address that you provide or some other place. Also, keep in mind that most of these trucks are not going to be coming with either a forklift, a pallet jack, or a lift gate. So it's best to have either one of those available. Granted, a liftgate is something that's not really under your control. You can call the company and see if they will set one up for you, but chances are they might not do that. If you don't have any of those, don't worry about it because you still will be able to unload the truck in a timely manner. In my experience, with 2 to 3 people, I was able to unload a truckload of about 22 to 24 pallets in under 2 hours, which is about the amount of time that they give you to unload the truck. So there you guys have it. That is the most recent truckload that I just purchased. I will be making another video once it gets here to show you guys exactly what items arrived, what conditions they're in, and I'm going to show you guys how I go about posting these items, organizing them, and what I do when I'm actually about to list them to like a local page like Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because not only am I going to be making videos about my truckload business and my pallet flipping business, if you guys saw my previous video, you'll notice that I mentioned something about me getting into real estate, which is something that I am taking very seriously, and I have been planning on doing that for the next foreseeable future. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, again, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I'll be making more videos related to real estate investing as well. With that being said, guys, thanks for subscribing, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys like this video. Stay tuned for the next video because I'll show you guys the truckload and exactly all the items that arrived. Till then, take care and I'll see you guys soon.